So how I was able to create this stunning commercial just within a minute with no actual video creation and with no actual knowledge in the sphere of video creation. I use this platform, Imagine Art, and I have created here two videos showing a fizzy drink, so energy and sharing moments. The upbeat music plays in the background, enhancing the joyful atmosphere, while text overlays emphasis on the drink's unique flavors and benefits. The scenes are bright and colorful, evoking a sense of warmth and fun, typically for sunny days. So this kind of, I've generated this kind of prompt, and there is also another video. This is a video of a very beautiful girl of 10 years old, which showcases a tablet in her hands. So this is create a stylish and dynamic video featuring young girl confidentially walking down a fashion runway, beginning with an upbeat, trendy soundtrack that sets the energetic tone. The scene starts with close-up of her stepping into catwalk, showcasing a fashionable outfit, and new shots emphasize her impression and the initiate details of her attire. So this is it. Also. This platform is how to say combines in itself several video generating platforms. These are mainly Imagine V, Imagine V1, Kling, Hallelujah, and all of this. So a generation of the video in this platform costs approximately 450 tokens. So initially I had 1,200 tokens, and just I have created 3 videos and I have just 250 tokens. But let's have a look what kind of subscription plans does this platform offer. The first one is standard. It costs $30 and you can create up to 1,000 images, 250 videos per month. Another one, $60, where you can create 3,000 images and 750 videos. I mean, if you are using it for commercial or business purposes, I think the second plan is quite good. But if you are just doing it for, how to say, entertainment, probably doesn't cost the money. But of course, the choice is yours. And also, what are other features here? You can write text and generate the video, and you can also make your image alive. So you can see text to video or image to the video. Also, in all studios, you have more features. So you can train a model here. You can use this video craft, imagine sketch, even there is a music studio. I haven't tried it. And you can, what does it manage? So probably it's the same. So this is, they are, how to say, offering. Yeah, I used basic plan. But it's actually not true. It's written that I can generate 75 videos per month, but I have created just 3 videos and all my tokens are gone. So I don't know, it's up to you whether it worth subscription or not. The choice is yours. I hope this video was useful for you.